Hey, it's Chris. Welcome back to Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair. We talked about before in our video, it was just a quick introduction about our bicycle repair and service. Just wanted to take an opportunity to let you know a little more about what we do, and we're going to have a little fun with this 10-speed frame. It's March in northwest Indiana, and it actually snowed this morning. So we're just having a little fun in the shop today and waiting on the weather to get a little better so we can get out riding. With Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair, we have been a company now for about 2 years, but I've been working on bikes since I was a little kid. I was always that guy in the garage that his friends brought him their flat tires and stuff like that. And I worked at a bike shop through the 90s and off and on my own bikes for most of my life. I've also gotten into fitness equipment repair, so I do treadmills, ellipticals, stationaries. I even have a lady that wants me to build a gazebo for her behind her house. So as far as assemblies go, fitness equipment, anything like that, that's what we do. I'm a super mechanical guy, work on a ton of stuff. Love bicycles, that's what's led me to being a mobile bike shop. And when you think to yourself, hey Chris, what's a mobile bike shop? I come to your house. I fix your bike at your house. I fix your family's bicycles at your house. I recently spoke with a customer that said in years past he would have to borrow a friend's truck, load up the whole family's bikes, take them to the local bike shop, wait for them to call, borrow that truck again, and take the bikes and pick the bikes up and bring them home. When he hires me, I show up at his house. He doesn't have the hassle of borrowing the truck or hauling the bikes himself or risking on scratching your nice car or loading your bike in it. Let us come to you and take care of it. On to this 10-speed frame. This one's going to be a fun one. I learned this project. I saw this idea. A friend of mine has one in his shop, and I figure if we're going to be hanging out here in the shop and we're going to be doing videos, I need a stool, a chair, something to sit on, and you're looking at it. So, a lot of old 10-speeds laying around. You could find them anywhere. This one came from a friend of mine. He gave me a matching pair of them, a men's frame and a ladies' frame. I'll show you, I'll throw a picture in of what the men's frame looked like. I use it as a Christmas decoration in front of the house. And on this one, we're going to convert it into a stool. Pretty simple process. We're going to use a reciprocating saw. The common name of it is a sawzall. We're going to take a blade and cut the frame off both here, and that'll leave us the rear triangle. And after we do a little bending of some metal up here, no real crazy tools required, no welding, no torches, nothing like that. Just a pretty simple man with a saw, a seat, most of a bike frame. This was a complete bike. I did tear it down the other day. It doesn't take very long, but let's get to know each other playing with power tools. That was pretty easy. I will, in time, take a grinder and grind this smooth and clean this up and make it look a little nicer, since this will be in my personal shop. And then after I grind it, I may repaint it, but as you can see by my shirt and my company logo, my favorite color is red, so it'll definitely stay red. The secret now is we have to take the rear triangle and give it a bend. Right here and right here. So let's see how it goes. Give it a nice little bend, plop this on the floor. What do you know? We got ourselves a pretty quick and easy stool. We'll probably put a little more cushy, a little more comfy seat on there, but it's a stool. It's a place to sit. Quick and easy, just something fun. We love bikes. You'll see that stool more in our videos as we do more stuff and more repairs. Look forward to teaching everybody on YouTube and the simple side of bike repairs. Some of it's a pretty difficult task, some of it's hard, some of it just requires, a little more skill, but there's easy things that can be done. You can change your own tire, I promise. If you can't change your own tire and you live near us, look us up, arnoldsmobile.com. We're available to come to you. We serve a pretty sizable radius. And as a friend of ours recently found out, we also offer pickup and delivery service on our repairs. We'll come to you, pick up your bike, bring it back here to the Arnold's Mobile Bike Repair home office, do the repairs here, especially when they're more in-depth. So get a hold of us, 219-713-1463, arnoldsmobile.com, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I thank you guys for hanging out in the shop with me for a little bit this morning, and I look forward to seeing you guys out there.